Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to quickly install your Laravel image intervention. We're going to be using this Laravel image intervention to resize our image from the backend, our preferable size. So now to do that, you go to google.com, then you search for Laravel image intervention, and you click the first link. So for the version you will use, you can go with version 2. And if you check the API here, we have a lot of things the Laravel image intervention can do, but our main focus is the resize option. This is the resize here. We are installing it to be able to use this resize function. So now, next thing we want to do is we want to install it. So you click on installation. So when you click on installation, you'll be installing it using this composer here. So all you have to do is copy this composer require installation. Once you copy it, inside your command prompt, I'm going to paste it here. You click enter. So it's going to download everything from the internet. It's going to take a little while, so I'll be back when it's done. So as you can see, it's done. So the next thing we want to do is, you can see here we have our config/app.php. You can see our providers here and our aliases here. So now I want to copy this into our app.php under the providers. Let's do that. Copy it. And inside your VS Code, that is inside your config, then inside your app.php. This is it right here. These are your providers, these are your aliases. So now I want to copy the one under our providers. Copy it. And under your providers, you paste it here. Don't forget to add your comma. So the one also under aliases, this one here under aliases, copy it also. I'll paste it under aliases here. Don't forget to add your comma. So you save it. So now after doing that, if you go to the Laravel image intervention website, I'm going to see the publish configuration in Laravel. After doing that, we are going to need to publish it. So now to publish it, we'll just copy this. So we'll go to our command prompt. Inside our command prompt, we're going to paste it here. Click enter. As you can see, it's publishing it into our Laravel project. So now after it's done, I'm going to, if you go to your VS Code, inside your config area, you are going to see has created another file, image.php. So now after publishing it, you should see this file here. So now what we have just installed now, we are going to use it for image. We're going to use it to be resizing our image to the particular size we want it to appear in the front end. So now this is all we have to do here. So from next episode, we'll be working on our category section. See you in the next video.